When I made my diary and I was collecting a natural material each day, I felt like in years to come, the Earth's going to be completely different, and that diary may have some natural materials in it that we may not have in the future. Same with my installations. And I really don't want my installations to be a herbarium and an archive of what we did have. This Hawaiian installation is called Awakening. My message is very simple. There's a necessity for us as human beings to look after each other and to look after this earth. The thing that really excited me about Hawaii was to be able to create an artwork where the community is so diverse, with every different type of group of people. And I just felt like that's what art's meant to be, you know, bringing everyone together. The process of making art, I love sharing it. And I love bringing people together. It does feel like a team sport. And that's important. It's important to give over that creativity, share it out and give people a sense of ownership, I suppose. Making something from their own hands that is part of something bigger. And I love the beauty of that, the beauty of the many hands that have made it. When somebody looks at my installations, they don't know the history of that material. Just through association with floristry or weddings or decoration, they would presume that that was a fresh flower that would be then put in the bin. The only way that I can really achieve these colossal installations is by using and reusing the work of the previous years. And so this collection of flowers that I have, which is over 1 million flowers, collected over 15 years, is so valuable in making it accessible for me to be able to create the next installation. So we worked out how to ship the material that had been touring the whole of America to Hawaii and then add in Hawaiian material to it. So there'll be a section which has got local flowers which will dry with time that have been made with local hands, which is what I love. Summer 2021, I went to visit Hawaii. There's some beaches that have collected plastic from the ocean and is just from all of our waste. And it's the first time that I have physically seen consumerism at its worst. And I just stood there on this beach with a handful of sand picking out the plastic. It was so overwhelming, the amount of waste, that you had this physical experience of, this is too much. It just felt like it was this poison that's there. And being a site-specific artist, it just felt like that is part of what the place is. This is an international problem. We need to look at what we're doing to these places of paradise around the world. I wanted to just have a section in this installation which has got a little bit of this plastic. Not in your face, not that obvious. The viewer would maybe walk past it and not even notice it, but that it's there, it's contaminating the artwork, which is really jarring. It felt it was going against me, but for the first time ever I felt like I can't ignore this. I wanted to create an artwork which was about opening up our eyes to the world and our individual responsibility. The artwork is going to be exhibited alongside my diaries, asking the viewer to think about how they live. And I want it to feel like an awakening